I'm going to be making a gold serum, like 24K gold serums are here, beautified by Amna's here, and pharmacy gold serums are here. So I'm going to make it at home, just not using a pump, but I'm using a dropper. You'll need a dropper, pigment, a lipstick container. Make sure it's clean from inside, not from outside. It's all up to you. And some water. Next you have to do is to pour as much as water, and moisturizer is needed to make it soften. Then just shake it or mix it with the water. And then add your pigment, how much you want. Oh my god, it's far from me. And yeah, I'm just shaking it and making it, 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 shaking and making it. Then mix it with the pigment, and the pigment turns into like brownish color. I don't like this pigment. I have crystallines, but I don't know. I think I just missed it. And I love the shade or texture, which is good. Well, it depends on you how much you want it, or how pigmented you want it, or how different shades you want it. You can add any shade, but this is very very good, and it's like very goldy shade. I love this. Well, it depends on you to add aloe vera gel or any stuff. I put aloe vera gel in another one. You can make of gold serums, and well, you are what the heck, it falls. But it depends on you how much you make it or how much good you make it. But be sure to follow the earlier steps which I showed you, and you can do anything, you can add anything into it, but you have to do this. Okay, till then, bye. Make sure to subscribe this channel and like the video. And